All right, here we go, guys. This is 24 Topps Black and White Baseball Hobby PYT 135. Get your guesses for the player on the auto. Should have one auto per box. We did have one box that had 3 autos. Go. Hit a couple, or was it 2 or 3 autos? We hit a couple Darryl Strawberry autos and a 101 of Darryl Strawberry. All in the same box. It's a fun product here. 9 packs, 8 cards per pack. 1 auto per box. There's our empty box. Good luck to everybody in this one. Up next after this one is Bowman's Best, I believe. 2023 Bowman's Best. Got 3 breaks left after this one. Josh Jones. Don Mattingly. And we got Wyatt Langford on the frame rate. And we have Rookie Resolution. Chris Sale. Kyle Harrison rookie. Jung Hoo Lee. Anthony Volpe. Marco Luciano, Eric Davis, Shohei Ohtani. Oh, there's our auto. Weiler Abreu, 4 out of 5 on the auto for the red spot. Nice auto there. Out of 5, 4 out of 5. Weiler Abreu. Keep getting your guesses in for the player on the last auto just in case there's other autos in here. Let's see. Can't guess this one since it's already been pulled. Weiler Abreu. Rookie Resolution Mason Wynn. We got Tariq Skubal. Pete Crow Armstrong. Ozzie Smith. Evan Carter. Francisco Lindor. Aaron Jones. Trey Turner. Gavin Stone out of 75. 12 out of 75. Paul Skeens on the frame rate. Alec Boehm. And Royce Lewis. Clayton Kershaw. Corbin Carroll. Mike Schmidt. Fernando Tatis Jr. out of 99. 44 out of 99. Frame rate of Vlad Guerrero Jr. Christopher Morel. Dwight Gooden. Emerson Hancock, rookie for Seattle. Robin Youts. Greg Maddux. Mark Vintios. Austin Wells. Out of 25 on the shutter speed, Jarren Duran. That's 21 out of 25. Going to the Red Sox, Ernie Banks. C.J. Abrams, Gavin Stone. Four packs left, 3 after this one. Jose Ramirez. David Hamilton. Jackson Merrill. Jordan Alvarez. Gunnar Henderson out of 25. 6 out of 25. We had some decent low-numbered parallels in here. Shutter speed of Jackson Churio. There's a Paul Skeens. Wyatt Langford. 3 packs left. Fernando Valenzuela. Jordan Westberg rookie. Jose Ramirez out of 99. 69 out of 99 for the Guardians. Rookie resolution, Hu Lee. Jackson Churio. Stephen Kwan. Jose Canseco. Eston Kjerstad. Last 2 packs coming up. Adley Rushman. Mike Trout. Shutter speed of Jackson Merrill. Evan Carter on the rookie resolution. Garrett Cole. Bryce Harper. Cal Ripken Jr. Colton Cowser. Last pack. Kyle Tucker. Carlos Correa. Bobby Witt Jr. We have Jaron Duran, Shutter Speed. Yogi Berra for the Mets. It's weird to see. Rafael Devers. Jordan Lawler. And we have Zach Wheeler. All right, we're going to top load recap. That was our 24 Topps black and white break. And up next is going to be the Bowman's Best PYT 107. So if you're waiting on that one, that is coming up next. Weiler, Abreu was the guest of this break. '23 Bowman's Best coming up next. Then we have 2023 Bowman Chrome Hobby. Then we end the night with our Prism Baseball Hobby. So we got 3 more baseball breaks tonight. If anybody wants to grab any spots that remain, link is pinned in the chat. Due for a 101. Let's see if we can hit one the rest of the night. 12 out of 75, Gavin Stone. 44 out of 99, Fernando Tatis. 21 out of 25, Jaron Duran. Gunnar Henderson, 6 out of 25. Paul Skeens. We have Jose Ramirez, 69 out of 99. And our auto, Weiler Abreu, rookie auto out of 5. 4 out of 5 on the rookie auto red right there. Weiler Abreu. That is going to the Boston Red Sox. Congrats on that hit right there. All right, like I said, that does it for this one. Let's update our title, get our list pulled up. We'll see if there's any other remaining spots in this one. 2023 Bowman's Best Hobby. YT 107. I have multiple autos in this one, so get your guesses in for the player on the last auto in 2023 Bowman's Best. All right, give me a moment here. We're going to check how many teams are left. We got 5 teams left in this one.